Good morning. This is Mrs. Mattingly again. This is our 4th week in quarantine, my 4th lesson for my kindergartners. I miss so much. This lesson is what I call joyful fun. Joyful fun. And I'm hoping you have all these things at home. This is, of course, from my kitchen to yours, but sometimes we're going to have to go to the bathroom for this one. We need some shaving cream. So run to your bathroom and see if you can find some shaving cream. Got to have that. Now in the kitchen, you're going to need food coloring. Hopefully your folks have that. You're going to need a plastic knife, or you could do a spatula, or you can even use your fingers. All right, except food coloring does change the color of your fingers just a little bit. You're going to need a plate. Now, if you've got a hard paper plate or a styrofoam plate, that's great. That's what you need. You're going to need lots of paper towels, and go ahead and tear off a bunch of them. Get them ready because you're going to need that. And you're going to need some paper. I love cardstock, but any paper will do. Now, remember, I want to encourage you to write your name in the bottom right-hand corner. Moms and dads and aunts and uncles and grannies at home, please encourage the kindergartners to practice writing their name. So much fun, so much fun. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your paper plate over, because this is going to be our tool. Remember, we paint with paintbrushes. Well, we're going to paint with a plate. So this is going to be our tool, okay? We need the upper edges of our plate to hold on to. So we're going to turn it over, shake up your can of shaving cream, shake it up, and squirt some on there. You don't need a whole lot. Of course, it's so much fun to do that. Now you're going to spread it out onto your plate like it's cake icing. Okay? Cake icing. So much fun. Fun, 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 fun. Okay. So remember our color lesson from the beginning of the school year. Our 3 primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Those are our 3 primary colors, and they make all of our secondary colors. Do you remember? Do you remember? So blue and yellow make green, yellow and red make orange, and red and blue make purple. So remember our secondary colors, if we mix them with certain other colors, they turn into mud. So if you do red and green together, it's going to make a brown color. So we're going to try to avoid hitting those colors together when we mix it up. Now, if we have purple, okay, if we do purple and we mix it with yellow, that's going to make mud too. Okay, so you want to avoid those colors. And if you have blue and orange together, what does it make? Mud. It makes mud. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some blue, and I'm just going to dribble a few drops. Okay, and then I'll put some, I think I'll put some red here. And I know that red and yellow are okay, and blue and yellow are okay. And I think I'll just put a dab of yellow right there, maybe 2 dabs of yellow. And let's see what happens. Okay, so when we stir it, we don't want to stir it too much. Okay, we just want to give it a swirl here and there. So I'm going to swirl my yellow and blue, and I'm going to go right into the yellow, and then I'm going to come around here to my red and yellow, which hopefully will make some kind of orange. Okay, so I've got it a little mixed up, a little tore up there, and I'm going to get my paper that you've written your name on it, put it flat on the table, turn this over, grab it really tight, okay, and swirl it around the paper. Now, you may say to yourself, my paper keeps moving like it is with me. So I'm going to add a codicil to this lesson. You could tape the paper down. That's always fun. Tape the paper down. Tape it, tape it, tape it. And I'm just going to make sure all the paper's covered. And I got stuff on my hands. Okay, I love that part. Some kids don't like it. If you got gloves, that's better too. So I'm going to take my paper towel and scrape off all my foam. Scrape off all the foam. Shaving cream. We'll call it shaving cream because that's what it is. Remember I told you get lots of paper towels, lots of paper towels. This is why we get lots of paper towels. Okay. So I'm wiping it. I wish you could see, but I don't have a... All right, so here is my paper. Here is my paper I made. And earlier I just did some blues and reds on one. Here's some more blues, greens and reds. And this is a pretty one too. I just couldn't stop myself. I just kept making them more, making more and more and more. Now you can use these to cut up and make scenes with, or dresses or flowers. You can cut these papers up or just hang them up on the wall just like they are. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. So much fun. Enjoy, 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 guys. I miss you so much. Hope to see you real soon. Keep creating.